Here is the quick, simple take before you buy. What's up, everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to experience sound like never before? Let me introduce you to the Sennheiser HD505, a game-changing pair of over-ear headphones that will take your music listening to the next level. With its exceptional HD sound quality, you'll feel like you're right in the recording studio, surrounded by crystal-clear highs, smooth mids, and deep controlled bass. The spacious open-back design provides a natural, airy soundstage that's perfect for getting lost in your favorite tunes or immersing yourself in a gaming session. As an audiophile, you'll appreciate the clarity and transparency of the sound, with every note and detail captured with precision. The plush velour ear pads and lightweight headband ensure all-day comfort, so you can wear them for hours on end without feeling fatigued. The durable design and premium materials used in these headphones make them a versatile and long-lasting companion for your daily music needs. Many customers have fallen in love with the Sennheiser HD505, and it's easy to see why. The combination of stunning sound, comfortable design, and durable build makes it a standout in its class. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a gamer, or just someone who appreciates great sound, these headphones are sure to impress. With the Sennheiser HD505, you'll experience a richer, more immersive sound that will make you wonder how you ever settled for anything less. So why wait? Give them a try and discover a whole new world of sound. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.